What was the Greely Expedition? Have you ever wondered what it was like to venture into the Arctic in the late 19th century? The Greely Expedition, also known as the Lady Franklin Bay Expedition, is a fascinating chapter in polar exploration history. This mission took place from 1881 to 1880 and was led by Lieutenant Adolphus Greely. It was organized by the United States Army Signal Corps, aiming to gather scientific data in one of the most remote areas on Earth. The main goal of the expedition was to set up a meteorological observation station at Lady Franklin Bay on Ellesmere Island, located in the Canadian Arctic. This was part of the first International Polar Year, which encouraged international cooperation in scientific research. The team aimed to collect detailed information about the Arctic climate, including weather observations, astronomical measurements, and magnetic data. In July 1881, the team set sail aboard the steamship Proteus, heading toward Ellesmere Island, which is about 500 miles south of the North Pole. Upon arrival, they established their base at Fort Conger in Lady Franklin Bay. The plan was for the crew to spend 2 years conducting research, with resupply ships scheduled to arrive in 1882 and 1883. They intended to return to the United States in September 1883. However, things did not go as planned. The supply ships failed to arrive, leaving the crew stranded in the harsh Arctic conditions. Over nearly 3.5 years, the expedition faced extreme cold, starvation, and isolation. Despite their challenges, 2 members of the team achieved a record for the farthest north latitude reached at that time. Out of the original 25 men, only 7 survived to be rescued in 1884. The Greely expedition is remembered not only for its scientific contributions to polar meteorology and geography, but also for the tragic hardships faced by its members. This expedition highlighted the difficulties of Arctic exploration and the importance of reliable support in polar regions. The experiences of the Greely expedition have informed many subsequent polar missions and continue to be studied within the history of Arctic exploration.